Rice is a staple food enjoyed by billions worldwide. But did you know this humble grain has surprising uses beyond the kitchen? Let's dive into 5 fascinating facts about rice. Fact 1. Freezing rice enhances nutrition. Freezing cooked rice can actually increase its nutritional value. This process boosts the level of resistant starch, a type of fiber that benefits gut health and blood sugar control. Fact 2. Rice's nutritional power. Rice is not only a versatile grain but also a nutritional powerhouse. It's a good source of carbohydrates, providing energy for your body. Brown rice, in particular, is rich in fiber and essential nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium. Fact 3. Ancient origins. Rice cultivation dates back over 10,000 years. It was first domesticated in Asia and has been a crucial food source throughout human history. Fact 4. Endless varieties. There are thousands of rice varieties around the world, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and nutritional profile. From long-grain white rice to sticky rice and wild rice, there's a variety to suit every taste. Fact 5. Rice's versatility. Beyond the kitchen, rice can be used in various ways. For example, rice paper can be used for crafting and scrapbooking, while rice can also be utilized as a natural deodorizer and in skincare products. Conclusion. As you can see, rice is a truly versatile grain with a rich history and numerous uses. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of rice, remember these fascinating facts about this humble staple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing facts.